Here are the full details of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Display and design. Screen, 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x. Resolution, QHD plus 3088 by 1440 pixels. Refresh rate, 1 to 120 Hz adaptive. Brightness, up to 2600 nits. Build, titanium frame Corning Gorilla Armor 2. Colors, titanium black, titanium gray, titanium blue, titanium green. Performance. Processor, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 Elite. RAM, 12GB/16GB LPDDR5X. Storage, 256GB/512GB/1TB UFS 4.0. OS, One UI 6.1 Android 15. Camera system. Main camera, 200MP OIS f/1.7. Ultra-wide, 50MP f/2.2 120-degree field of view. 3x telephoto, 50MP f/2.4 OIS. 5x periscope telephoto, 50MP f/3.0 OIS. AI-powered features. Nightography, AI zoom 100x space zoom super HDR. Selfie camera, 50MP f/2.2 autofocus HDR 10+. Battery and charging. Capacity, 5000 mAh. Charging. Wired, 45W fast charging 0 to 65% in 30 minutes. Wireless, 15W fast wireless charging. Reverse charging, 5W. S Pen and AI features. S Pen, integrated no Bluetooth support this time. AI features. Galaxy AI for real-time live translate calls and messages. AI-powered photo remaster and object eraser. AI zoom for better digital zoom. Samsung Notes AI for auto-summarization and transcription. Audio and connectivity. Speakers. Stereo speakers tuned by AKG Dolby Atmos. Connectivity. 5G mmWave and sub-6 GHz. Wi-Fi 7. Bluetooth 5.4. UWB ultra-wideband. USB-C 3.2. eSIM plus dual SIM. Price expected. USA, $1,299 base model. India, 129,999 rupees. UK, £1,199.